Operations Training Day 1, Sales Orders 1. Sales orders allow you to have inventory shipped to the customer. There are two main ways of entering sales orders. You can manually enter through the Order Entry screen under ORD, Order Entry Processing, New Order Entry, or you can load an order in from AutoQuotes under ORD, Load Orders. On a normal entry, you will need to fill out the customer and account information and manually enter your items. For import, you will need to just enter the customer and account information, set the file, and TRX will create an order with the items in your file. In either case, you will need to process the order. To process from the entry screen, click the lightning bolt. You can select what will print and hit Process Orders. You can also batch process orders. Instead of processing at this point, you will need to save the order. This will put the order into a queue to be processed. To process the queue, go to ORD, Order Entry Processing, Process Orders. Here you can set parameters and process orders you saved into the queue. At some point, you will need to ship out the items. To do so, you will use screens found under ORD, Order Shipping. Under here, you will print the pick ticket for the warehouse. Then, we enter our shipment under the ORD, Order Shipping, enter new shipments. Enter the order number and warehouse to populate the items to be shipped. Using the fields, you can adjust shipping and install costs and charges, and set how many of each item will ship. These fields will default based on the order and what is actually in inventory. You are able to print a pro forma invoice from here using the clipboard. When you are ready to process the shipment, hit the lightning bolt. Once it is processed, the items will leave inventory and the order record will be updated to reflect the current status. After items are sent, you will want to bill the customer. This is done under Order Invoicing. The easiest way to do this is using the Invoice Express screen. This screen combines the older screens to make a dynamic all-in-one function. Fill out fields in the top parameters to narrow down your search. Leave fields blank to search all. Less fields entered will give you a broader search. After searching, use the checkboxes to select which orders you want to invoice. If you needed to correct any item, shipping, or install pricing, click the Edit button next to the order you want to correct. A screen comes up allowing you to edit your order. Confirm the information, save, and exit. When your orders are selected and the totals are correct, press the lightning bolt to create your invoices. The quoting module allows you to quickly quote a customer order. Enter the prospect number. If this is a customer in your system, tab through to the customer field and enter the customer number. A prospect number will be automatically created. Tab through the fields confirming the information. Then we can enter our items. You can scan items, enter them manually, or you can use the order guide to select from previously ordered items for that customer. Once you've selected all of your items, you have a few options. You can copy older quotes using the Copy Quotes button to recreate a previous quote. This is most useful after the quote is closed. You can easily print your quote using the clipboard icon at the top of the screen, and you can convert this quote to a sales order if the customer decides they want to buy. Like sales orders, you can import quotes into TRX using an AQ file. If the customer agreed to the quote and you close out of the screen, you can use the Convert Quote to Order screen to make a sales order from the quote. The main difference between a quote and a sales order is how it affects your inventory. TRX will calculate what needs to be purchased based on inventory levels and items that are on sales orders. TRX allocates the items on sales orders so that if there isn't enough inventory, TRX will tell the purchasing department to purchase the items. The quoting module does not tell the system you need to purchase the items. This allows you to quickly get pricing, but it also allows you the flexibility of not triggering inventory until you confirm the purchase. Please review the other documentation, come up with any questions, and present them to your on-site trainer.